Join us as we unveil the meticulous process that transforms fresh coffee cherries into the world's finest.
Our journey begins in the sprawling coffee plantations, where nature nurtures the beans that fuel the world.
Coffee cherries mature slowly, developing rich flavors within.
Collected cherries are gathered and prepared for pulping.
Harvesting is a delicate process done by hand to select only the ripest cherries.
Transporting cherries promptly preserves freshness and quality.
Initial sorting ensures only the best cherries proceed to processing. Each cherry's texture and color reflect its quality and ripeness.
Pulping removes the outer skin of the coffee cherries, exposing the beans inside. Advanced machinery efficiently separates the pulp from the beans. Precise control of fermentation ensures consistent quality.
Fermentation enhances flavor and prepares beans for washing. Fermentation breaks down mucilage, revealing the green coffee beans. Regular sampling ensures optimal fermentation and flavor development. Fermented beans are transported carefully for thorough washing. Washing removes fermentation residues, preparing beans for drying.
Gentle washing preserves bean quality while ensuring cleanliness.
Operators maintain optimal washing conditions for consistent results.
Beans are dried carefully to reduce moisture and prevent spoilage. Uniform drying preserves flavor and quality.
Patience and precision ensure perfectly dried beans.
Regular turning prevents mold and maintains quality. Continuous quality checks ensure optimal drying.
Mechanical drying accelerates the process while preserving bean integrity.
Hulling removes the parchment layer from dried coffee beans, revealing the green beans inside.
Precision machinery ensures efficient and gentle hulling. Removed parchment is collected for recycling or disposal.
Operators maintain optimal conditions for efficient and safe hulling.
Clean green beans are essential for quality roasting.
Hulled beans are transported carefully for sorting and grading. Advanced sorting technology ensures uniformity and quality. Manual inspection complements automation to guarantee premium quality.
Grading separates green coffee beans by size, density, and quality to ensure consistency. Optical grading technology identifies and separates beans based on strict quality criteria.
Air jets precisely separate beans by grade, maintaining product uniformity. Manual inspection complements automation to guarantee premium quality. Data-driven grading maintains consistent standards across every batch. Graded beans are carefully transported to roasting lines.
Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality.
With grading complete, green beans are ready for roasting.
Regular sampling ensures every grade meets our strict quality criteria.
Roasting transforms green coffee beans, unlocking rich aromas and flavors. Even roasting ensures uniform development and flavor. Precise control guarantees consistent roast profiles. Regular sampling ensures every batch meets quality standards. The perfect roast reveals the bean's full character. Rapid cooling locks in flavor and prevents over-roasting.
Careful packaging preserves freshness and aroma.
Real-time monitoring ensures precision and consistency. Regular maintenance keeps roasting equipment running smoothly.
After roasting, coffee beans are cooled rapidly to preserve flavor and aroma.
Even cooling prevents over-roasting and maintains bean quality.
Precise control ensures optimal cooling conditions.
Controlled degassing prepares beans for grinding and blending.
Degassing removes excess carbon dioxide, enhancing flavor development.
Regular sampling ensures beans meet quality standards.
Cooled beans are transported careful for further processing. Grinding transforms roasted beans into the perfect consistency for brewing. Precision grinding ensures uniform particle size for optimal flavor extraction.
Operators maintain control to achieve the desired grind profile.
Blending combines various beans to craft unique flavor profiles.
Ground coffee is transported carefully for packaging and distribution.
Real-time monitoring ensures precision and consistency.
Careful packaging preserves freshness and aroma.
Our advanced packaging line ensures every bag of premium coffee is sealed and labeled with precision. Sealing locks in freshness, protecting coffee from moisture and air.
Clear labeling ensures brand recognition and traceability.
Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards.
Skilled operators ensure smooth operation and immediate response to any issues.
Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition.
Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment.
Our premium coffee begins its journey to markets around the world.
Finally, our premium coffee reaches consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
From the first harvest to the final roast, every step reflects our dedication to quality.